Okay, we're out here at the MLK Bridge project. Here you see the one that was completed. And what's really cool about it is that we're going to be dropping down over on this other side, which means that you're going to be able to see it from the school, and it's going to all go together like really nice, because you got this one and then those same colors are going to continue down here. We're getting ready for Saturday the 20th at 8 o'clock to 12, Community Day. So we're inviting anybody that wants to come out, grab a paintbrush and help us out. That's from 8 till 12 o'clock, Community Paint Day. Kind of cold out here. So we're doing the outlining now, and tomorrow we're going to put the dots in there, the color dots, so everybody can know what color goes where. What you know, Joe? Huh? Can't hear you. What you say?
Oh.
Okay. That's Joe, man. It's cold out here. Still going, still going. Oh, it's a big mural. We want to thank everybody that helped us out with financing this project. But as you can see, underneath the bridge, it's a real cool place to come and sit and relax. They're starting to clean it up. Hopefully we'll be able to extend the project to the underside of the bridge. So there you have it, Unity Street, live, getting ready for Saturday. Hope to see you there. Have an awesome day. Stay strong. Peace and blessings.